Srimati Sheila Grace Kochause, the visionary behind V-Star Creations Private Limited, that has become India's leader in leisure industry. She transformed V-Star from a small venture into a major player, with the company being one of the first in the apparel sector to receive ISO 9001:2015 accreditation. V-Star has also empowered over 800 women from rural areas, promoting economic independence and community growth. A strong advocate for women empowerment, she is also the founding member of the Women Entrepreneur Network, which supports over 1,000 women entrepreneurs. Srimati Sheila Kochause.
Hi, good afternoon. I know, as Matthew said, I'm between lunch and you. But still, I think as business people, we all eat late lunch. I eat only at 2:30. I think you also should be doing the same. Mohammed Hanishar and other dignitaries of the dais, thank you so much for considering me for this wonderful award. Actually, I was a bit nervous when I was standing amongst all these very top businessmen of Kerala. And I know, I'm like a worm there. Congratulations to all the other award winners. And it's a good change that now our politicians have realized that we need to create jobs to the contrary of former years. Because whenever we started something, there was all kinds of forces to close it down. All of us have gone through that. We cannot forget it also, but we have to forget it. And let us all start a new era with job creations and encouraging our youth to come back to the state. The whole world has changed, and all the youth are exposed to the whole world. And we should not forget that they don't know what is happening around the world. They are very, very, enlightened what is happening in the world. So it's natural for them to see which is the best place to live. They find the best place and they just run away. So it's our responsibility to change the state to a place, to a better place to live. The best roads, the best footpaths, and no mosquitoes. We have a large garden in front of our house. I have a garden furniture set in the garden, but I cannot sit in the garden even for 1 minute because of the swarming mosquitoes. It is very sad. It was not like that. So all these things only the government can do. Whatever we do, we are doing, and we should do. I don't deny that. But infrastructures and living conditions improvement, that has to come from the government. And let us hope the government will open their eyes and do something to make our state a better place to live. Then I'm sure all the youngsters will come back. Also, before all the youth leaves this place, we have to be very, very fast. After leaving here, they may not come back. They'll have their family, their children, everywhere. And I happen to be the founder of WEN, Women Entrepreneurs Network, an organization for the women in business. Actually, I started it as a WhatsApp group, and it grew like that. Now we have 1,000+ members as 5 chapters. All women are engaged in different businesses. So I happen to be a mentor there, and they are all very happy, and we help each other, support each other, and I think this is a very good beginning for women entrepreneurs. And I think in this digital age, people might be spending more time on the digital medias, but the basics of this remains the same. To build your brand, it is important that you use all avenues, all methods, all media. And I think that is what helped me also. I thank my family for standing with me, and I thank all the staff in V-Star for being with me in thick and thin. I think that's all. Yeah, I'm making it very short. Thank you so much. Thank the award jury for selecting me for this award also. And thank INMEC for selecting me and conducting this award function in a grand way. Thank you so much.